What up, world? Got a lot of my motherfucking guys ask me why I ain't do this little 16 bar challenge shit. So I said, fuck it. Why not? Shout out to APE, Young and Reckless, GGE, Eastside Crazy. You know how we do. Check this out. Yo, shout out to Bandana. We ain't got no damn manners. They yelling out, oh boy, like Cam and Santana. I can hit you with the hammer or hulk you like Atlanta. We crazy like Mad Hatters. They yelling out, cat scan 'em. You would think I'm weighing grams up. I'm dope boy fresh. And Bandana going hard, so I'ma go hard next. Because we want more checks. So we chasing that guap. And all you half-ass rappers, yeah, we taking your spot straight to the top. So move to the back of the line. Young and Reckless Bandana got me back on the grind. From 079 to 92nd repping the East. So when it's beef, we give you shots from the weapon for free. So messing with me, understand you fucking with a G. So your hoes follow after us like LMNOP. Boy, who better on the beat? Young and Reckless the mob. So if you see me throw it up, you know I'm repping the squad. Bitch, 16 bar challenge. Get your weight up.